Investor's dream and perfect Orlando starter home opportunity. Welcome to this versatile 4-bedroom home at 4901 Elese Street, Orlando, Florida, offering incredible potential for investors and first-time buyers. Previously a popular rental, this move-in ready property awaits your next step, whether for continued returns or your own enjoyment. Step inside to spacious gathering areas. The kitchen features gray cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage. Recent updates provide peace of mind, including an updated HVAC in 2024, roof replacement in 2019, and a newer water heater. The main bathroom has been tastefully updated with elegant marble tile walls and a granite vanity, adding a modern touch. All 4 bedrooms feature carpet and ceiling fans, offering comfort throughout. The primary suite features a larger closet and a private half bath, providing a functional and convenient retreat. Outside, the expansive backyard not only offers room for future additions or outdoor amenities but also enhances the potential to increase rental income or property value, making it appealing for investment growth. Located just minutes from Eagle Nest Park, you'll enjoy easy access to green space, recreation,